Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable auto dark mode on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, for devices with OLED or AMOLED screens, dark mode can save battery life. The screens use less power to display dark colors because they turn off pixels to show true black, leading to reduced power consumption. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open the settings on your device. Next, find the option Display and Brightness and tap on it to open. Okay, under the light theme and dark theme options, you will see an option Schedule. Tap on it to access the scheduling settings for dark mode. Okay, and here you can set the time when dark mode will automatically activate on your device. Okay, you can customize the schedule according to your preferences or set it to follow the sunset and sunrise times. By following these steps, you can easily schedule when dark mode will be automatically enabled on your device, ensuring that your display adapts to different lighting conditions throughout the day. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable auto dark mode on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.